Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You already have the essentials, Python and a virtualenv. Now begin. First, install your GUI toolkit. tkinter is ready by default. PyQt5 needs pip. Once done, scaffold src /asset /model and add main. Py. You will create a simple window first because a working frame proves the event loop runs. Make sure to import the toolkit, instantiate the application object, and then create a main window. Run the loop to confirm the UI appears. You now lay out the interface: header, scrollable message area, and an input row. Create widgets, text, or list box for messages, entry for quick input or text for multi-line, and a send button, then wire the send event to a handler. Next, connect your backend. Call a local model or API, but run network or heavy work off the main thread so the UI stays responsive. Use a queue or callbacks to push responses back to the main thread and update the message area safely. You're close. Add polish like timestamps, a typing indicator, and validation for empty messages. Save chat logs to a JSON or SQLite file, then package with pinstaller for distribution. Test on target OS and run edge case prompts to verify stability. If something goes wrong, especially a frozen UI, inspect threading. Make sure heavy calls run off the main thread and that updates to widgets are marshaled onto the main loop via a queue or toolkit-safe callback. Adjust timeouts and retries if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.